going to travel across the country to go raid Area 51 in September, you're going to need to eat.
Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, I don't know if you guys have seen, but on September 20th, everybody's going to Area 51.
Where are we going to go?
To Area 51, Babe.
Are we going?
Because we want to see them aliens. Have you guys seen the memes? Like this meme, or this meme, or this meme. I mean, they're everywhere. So, in order to prepare for your trek across the United States, all these people are going to go to Area 51. You're going to need substance. You're going to need nutrients. You're going to need a freaking chili dog is what you're going to need. But I'm telling you today, out on the Blackstone, out in the kitchen, not out in the kitchen, in the kitchen, out on the Blackstone, in the kitchen, Babe is making 4 different types of hot dogs originating in different parts of the country. Because, you know, people are going to be traveling across the country to go break into Area 51.
That's true.
Apparently.
Yes.
So, you guys, stay tuned. We have what? An old school chili dog? You know that chili dogs originated in Michigan? I Googled that. What else, babe?
A Memphis Dog.
A Memphis Dog, Tennessee, go.
A Josh and Babe Dog.
A Josh and Babe Dog originated right here in Southern California in this kitchen, go.
And I guess it would be a Mexican dog?
An elote dog.
Because that's where elote's from?
Yeah, because people from Mexico are going to come up to Area 51.
Yeah.
For the aliens,
I
babe.
bet.
For the aliens.
They're all coming.
All right, you guys. It's chili, dog, hot dog, madness, crazy, alien dog.
Alien dog.
And here we go.
Okay, so folks, what we have here, my corn.
That you cut off the cob that we
cut
roasted.
off the cob that we roasted.
Okay.
Yes. Hormel chili with no beans. Oh, boy.
Greatest chili in the world. Right now, everybody. Hold on.
And no beans.
Yeah.
Chili has beans.
No, it does not, babe. You're going to get the folks riled up.
Oh, it does.
Bacon.
Green onion. Cilantro. Pickles. Fajita cheese. Some cayenne pepper. I need my mayonnaise. Regular cheddar cheese.
And macaroni in a pot on the
And
stove.
macaroni cooking on the stove.
Old school craft macaroni.
Oh,
yeah. Boy, you're going to whip up hot dog madness today.
I guess so.
Is it time for the Blackstone?
It is.
It's Blackstone time.
Let's do it. All right, babe, let me tell you about these dogs right here. These are the best hot dogs you'll ever have. Costco dogs. They're all beef, 1/4 pound plus dinner franks. No byproducts, corn syrup, fillers, and they're gluten-free for my fellow gluten-free people.
You're a gluten-free people?
I should be.
That's not America! That's not even Mexico!
So for our Memphis dog and our mac and cheese dog, we're gonna go ahead and wrap our weenies. Okay, we've also got our Costco bacon, that thick cut bacon. And it's gonna take, it looks like about 2 pieces to get a good wrap. Just like that.
The look of love, babe?
No, that's the look of you're in trouble because you ruined my hot dog.
I didn't ruin it. I was
ruined
trying
it.
to move it off
Well, you're not
camera.
supposed to touch anything
Well, why not?
because you don't cook, I do.
What?
Yeah, babe.
Now that the bacon got a little bit of a head start, now we're gonna, oh, is that again the look of love? Hi, babe. Dogs are looking really nice. The aliens are gonna be impressed.
Speaking of dogs,
The aliens are gonna be impressed. How come one of the pieces of bacon is off?
because you ruined it. I had to take it off now.
So now you're gonna
Ruined our
adapt.
entire dinner.
Now you're gonna adapt, improvise, and overcome.
No, our whole video is ruined.
But what about the aliens?
Now the kids can't eat. The aliens won't come.
No, the aliens are at Area 51. We're coming to them. Remember?
Oh,
Well,
no,
we're not,
we-
but 1.1 million people apparently are coming to them.
Nobody's going to be energized enough because they aren't going to have the bacon on their hot dog. All right, we're back in the kitchen. This is hot dog number 1, the elote dog. We have our corn, fresh off of the cob. We have our cotija cheese. We're gonna use our Japanese mayo Q-pie. You can find a link in the description. Chili powder, lime.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's build.
First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cotija cheese and you're gonna break it up. It's really easy to break up, and it's totally up to you how much you use. I like a lot. Josh likes a fair amount, so I put a little more in there. Gives it that flavor. The kids are not big fans of the cheese, but I like it. Next up, our mayo. I really suggest getting this mayonnaise. It's so good. Fresh lime. I'm gonna use just a half a lime. For chili powder. Okay, we're gonna put, ooh, I love elote so much. Check out our Dirt Dog video. This is actually where I got this idea. We did a review of a place called Dirt Dog right before Josh surprised me last year for my 29th birthday. Okay, we're gonna top it with a little cilantro for color. And this is hot dog number 1. Dog number 2 is going to be our chili cheese dog. Hormel chili.
No beans.
Oh boy, no beans. Hot dog number 3 is the Josh and Babe dog. It is a bacon wrapped, which it's not wrapped anymore because Joshua ruined it, hot dog with macaroni and cheese. Okay, the last one, number 4, is our Memphis dog. Another bacon wrapped / not wrapped.
Babe, you can't be angry when you go storm the aliens. So, babe, you have your bacon, your hot dog. You're putting barbecue sauce on this Memphis dog. And that's your Memphis dog?
It's your Memphis dog.
And there you have it, folks. 4 style of hot dogs to feed you on the way to the aliens. But in all seriousness, are you guys seriously 1.1 million people gonna go to Area 51? That's a really dumb idea. Babe, I gotta be honest with you. We're not going to visit the aliens.
We're not?
No.
Why not?
I gotta work.
What?
So now we got a lot of hot dogs.
Can I
Memphis. No, babe, you're not going to Area 51, along with the 1.1 other million people that are going. You want me to work from left to right? You work
You go
from
from
right
that
to
side,
left?
I'll go from this side.
And here we go.
Probably
So-
aren't gonna sleep much tonight.
Why would I not sleep much?
Well, your belly might hurt.
Yeah, do you say? A Memphis dog. Barbecue sauce, bacon, cheddar cheese, a little bit of onion, and
Have you ever had that before?
no.
Okay, well, I'm going with the elote dog. I shoved my wiener back in the bun a little. Is it
Really
good?
good.
I've never heard of barbecue sauce on a hot
That was
dog.
really good. Yeah, babe, eat it like you're an alien. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in for the classic Hormel chili dog because, I mean, this is my favorite.
Good? Of course. Okay, how about the Josh and Babe? The Josh and Babe dog. Let me pull the weenie back. Okay? This is bacon, macaroni and cheese, and hot dog. Still, again.
And this is why I've gained weight since we started the Josh and Babe YouTube channel. Yeah.
This is why the doctor told me today I need to stop eating so much.
But did you say we have content that we need to put out? Content and the aliens and the content.
That's pretty yummy.
Is it? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, put your mouth onto it. Go for it. Do you need a pickle to clean your palate?
When did this become a mukbang?
I don't know. Let's try a chili dog here. I love chili dogs.
Yeah, that Hormel chili with no beans is epic.
It is pretty
Okay, let me
good.
try the last one. Try the last one. That would be really good.
I know, it's so yummy.
Comment below if you're going to go visit the aliens in September.
And make these.
And make these.
This is a good party platter.
Make
You
these.
probably cut it up into like four pieces.
Yeah.
And
Make
do a little party
these so
platter.
that you can have nourishment when you travel across the country
Yeah, you need energy.
to go to Nevada to visit the aliens. Favorite one. Go. You have to pick one.
Elote.
I'm a tie between elote and classic Hormel chili dog.
I like your chili dog too.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the
Thank
next
you.
video.